contributing to the interior lifestyle industry for many years by manufacturing high-quality and supremely artistic products. We have initiated a new extraordinary calibrated plywood which guarantees even thickness in every piece of Kridha plywood and becomes an extremely flexible product used for a wide range of structural, interior and exterior applications. Let's check out how the world-class calibrated plywood is made by using latest German technologies. The very first step of creating extraordinary plywood is log inspection and selection. At Kridha, we make sure each and every log is inspected with highly supervised and skilled staff. After testing, only approved logs are used for cutting into specific sizes based on requirements. Peeling. Special plywood requires special efforts. We have in-house peeling facility in which log is peeled in uniform thickness veneers by using highly advanced high-speed peeling machines. In the same assembly line, the German technology-based clipping machine cuts the veneer to required dimensions. Drying. We crave for perfection and it is visible in our efforts. We have 10 chambers dryer that cut veneers through a two-step drying process to decrease moisture content and knock down microorganisms. Core Veneer Composer. Core Veneer Composer machine stitches the core veneer to avoid gap and overlapping of core, and it makes a 8x4 veneer sheet. These are the issues which cannot be controlled manually. Core composing is done by composing core with 5 layers thread inside which joins the core and make it streamline in different required standard size for making plywood in different specifications. Even expert manual handling leaves 10 to 20% problem of over and gap. The core composer makes single core sheet of 8x4 or desired specifications by stitching all dried core inserted into it. The core composer facilitates in reducing wastage and helps to maintain the quality. Resin gluing and assembly. The core veneers are glued using an in-house manufactured resin, which is an unexpected formulation to ensure harmonious quality. Core veneers are then layered together with a 90-degree cross-section in alternate layers to ensure strength and dimensional stability. Pre-press. To maintain high-quality standard, we at Kridha use extremely automotive German technology-based machines for pre-press technology. The assembled veneers are then subjected to high pressure in ambient temperature to ensure uniform spread of resin throughout plywood by stabilization of core layers and achieves strong bonding. Hot press. After pre-press, the plywood is loaded by automatic autoloader into the hot press for polymerization, where each panel is subjected to high temperature and pressure to achieve uniform density and permanent bonding. Automatic autoloader increases the quality output, which is hard to achieve in manual loading. Dimensional cutting. With highly advanced laser cutting machines, the pressed veneers is then trimmed horizontally and vertically to achieve dimensional accuracy before moving on for calibration. Calibration. In calibration process, the uneven thickness of veneers is pressed by fully automatic Costa calibrated machine to provide a uniformly thickened plywood. glue spreader. The calibrated matte plywood is then again sent to glue spreader machine, and then Gurjan face is applied over it to get a best quality plywood. At Kridha, we only use Burma Gurjan face to ensure the maximum quality life. Pre-press to achieve the standard and greatest quality. The calibrated plywood is sent to pre-press machine in order to minimize drawbacks of manual efforts. Hot press. After pre-press process, the calibrated plywood is forwarded to the hot press process, where ultimate thickness of the plywood is obtained. Cutting. With advanced technology and highly experienced staff, the finally pressed ply is cut down into desired sizes in order to obtain satisfaction. Sanding. The pressed ply is now forwarded to a wide belt sanding machine for surface sanding on both sides to give it a smooth surface. Dipping. Giving quality product is our topmost priority, so the next process is dipping, where the plywood is dipped into chemical solution to protect it from termite and borer. Buffing. The next most important step in making quality plywood is buffing, where its Gurjan surface is polished to obtain finest surface finishing. Inspection. Each ply undergoes thorough rigorous inspection for bonding and finish before being dispatched to the market. An in-house lab conducts tests on every batch of resin and plywood to ensure consistent quality and protect it from termite and any other kind of bacterial attack. Being a benchmark setter in implementing advanced technology, expert mind and innovation at work in line with international quality norms, at Kridha, we are able to serve the industry by manufacturing and supplying premium quality plywood that is setting yardstick for the wood industry to follow. We have a well-developed infrastructure with 20 acres of land in which we have masters in manufacturing plywood, laminates, 0.8 and 1 mm laminate, door skin, flush door, block board, calibrated plywood, laminated doors and laminated plywood. Our plywood range comes with Kridha Platinum, fire retardant with a lifetime warranty certificate, Kridha Diamond with 21 years of warranty certification. Kridha Gold range gives you 10 years warranty on all the gold range products. Even in an operating environment that is changing at a remarkable pace, the Kridha Group remains dedicated to sustained growth as an organization that can accurately meet the needs of customers.